explorers, welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So let us begin with the chapter number 8, and the name of the chapter is measurement, right? So let's see how these measurements help us in our daily life. So it says Sakshi is celebrating her birthday today. कि साक्षी आज अपना birthday celebrate कर रही है. She has invited some of her friends at home. कि उसने अपने कुछ friends को घर पर invite किया है. Right? Sakshi's father ordered 15-liter 500 ml packed juice. Only 12-liter 250 ml juice was consumed by everyone. How much juice was left? So obviously ये हमने पिछली क्लासेस में भी किया है कि जब भी हमें कंज्यूम्ड जूस का अमाउंट दिया होता है और लेफ्ट आउट जूस का अमाउंट निकालना होता है तो हम टोटल में से लेफ्ट जूस का अमाउंट को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देते हैं. So what we are going to do, we are going to make the two columns for liter and milliliters. So just 15 liters and 500 milliliters and 12 liter and 250 milliliter हमें उसमें से माइनस करना है. Let's subtract it. 0 minus 0 is 0. 10 minus 5 is 5. Then 4 minus 2 is 2. Then 5 minus 2 is 3. And 1 minus 1 is 0. So hence the amount that is left is 3 liters and 250 milliliters. Correct? Then Sakshi's mother ordered a cake weighing 750 grams. साक्षी की मम्मा ने एक केक ऑर्डर किया जिसका वेट था 750 grams. She also ordered 10 cupcakes each weighing 50 gram. Right? उसके बाद उसकी मम्मा ने 10 cupcakes भी ऑर्डर किए जिसमें एक केक का वेट था 50 grams. So now they are saying which is heavier by weight. तो अब हमें पता लगाना है कि केक ज्यादा हैवी है वेट में या फिर कप केक ज्यादा हैवी है. तो केक का हमें पता है that it is 750 grams, right? And the cupcakes are 50 grams but they are 10. So we'll multiply 50 grams by 10. So it becomes 500 grams. Right? And on the other side, we have the cupcakes that are 500 grams in weight. So we all know that the cake is weighing heavier, that is 750 grams. Clear? Then moving ahead, let's get started with the topic that is measurement of length. तो अब length का measurement देखते हैं, right? So it is the basic unit for measuring length is meter. कि जो basic unit है length को measure करने की वो है meter. Various units used for measuring lengths are kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter and millimeter. तो ये कुछ यूनिट्स हैं जिन्हें हम लेंथ मेजर करने के लिए यूज करते हैं, राइट? सो वी कैन सी कि इट इज द बेसिक यूनिट विच इज मीटर, राइट? अब इसके मल्टीपल्स हैं और सब मल्टीपल्स हैं विच इज किलोमीटर रिप्रेजेंटेड एज km, हेक्टोमीटर रिप्रेजेंटेड एज hm, decameter represented as DAM, decimeter represented as DM, centimeter represented as cm, and millimeter represented as mm. Clear? Now next, we have conversion of units of length. तो अब हमारे पास है conversion कि हम कैसे इन length units को आपस में convert करेंगे, right? So here it is units can be converted from larger to smaller or smaller to larger units as shown below. के जो यूनिट्स हैं ये लार्जर से स्मॉलर में या फिर स्मॉलर से लार्जर में कन्वर्ट की जा सकती हैं कुछ इस तरीके से. करेक्ट. जस्ट लाइक लार्जर टू स्मॉलर, अगर हमें लार्जर को स्मॉलर यूनिट में कन्वर्ट करना है तो वी मल्टीप्लाई इट, राइट. बट if we are converting the larger to smaller, then we divide it. Clear? So, as we jump from smaller units to larger units, we divide by 10 every time. कि जब भी हम smaller unit से larger units की तरफ जाएंगे, smaller unit से larger units की तरफ जाएंगे तो हम उन्हें 10 से divide करेंगे. As we jump from larger units to smaller units, we multiply by 10 every time. और जब भी हम जंप करेंगे लार्जर यूनिट से स्मॉल यूनिट्स में तो हम हर बार उसे 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. क्लियर? नाउ वी हैव एग्जांपल्स व्हिच सेज कन्वर्ट द फॉलोइंग यूनिट्स ऑफ लेंथ. तो अब हमें इन सभी लेंथ्स को कन्वर्ट करना है, राइट? So, the very first is 3 kilometers in meter. तो 3 किलोमीटर को अगर हमें मीटर में कन्वर्ट करना है, राइट? Here we have kilometer and here we have the meter. So, we got 1, 2 and 3. So, we have to multiply it by 1000, right? So, it is like this only that we multiplied 3 को 1000 meter से, so it gives 3000 meter as the converted length. Right? Next is 4.5 kilometers into hectometers. Right? तो अब हमें कन्वर्ट करना है किलोमीटर्स को हेक्टोमीटर्स में. Right? So let's see how it is done. अब 4.5 kilometers को hectometers में करना है. So obviously we have to multiply it by 10. So it becomes 4.5 into 10 hectometers is equal to 45 hectometers. Clear? Next is 1521 dm यानी decimeter into hm and dm यानी hectometer or decimeter. Correct? So it says 1521 dm plus 521 dm. Correct? So, we divide 1000 by 1000 which gives 1. So, it becomes 1 hectometer and 521 decimeter. Clear? Then, we have the next which is 6503 mm into m and mm. So, again the same. 6503 millimeters is equal to 6000 millimeters plus 503 millimeters, right? So first of all, we're going to divide 6000 by 1000, right? Which gives 6 and hence the answer becomes 6 meters and 503 millimeters. Clear? Then let's move ahead and move to the exercise which says convert the following. अब हमें इन सभी को convert करना है into the following units that are given. So let's take this one which is for 20 kilometers to meter. So we all know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So hence 20 kilometers is equal to 20 into 1000 meters. So hence the answer becomes 20,000 meters. Clear? Then next is the same, that is convert the followings. So it is the same thing. Let's pick this one which says 453 hectometers to kilometers. So we all know that 1 kilometer is equal to 10 hectometers. Correct? Now we have to identify 453 kilometers. Yeah. So this 453 hectometers divided by 10. So it becomes 45.3 kilometers. Correct? This is how you're going to convert all these units of length very easily. Clear? Now, moving ahead. Next, we have measurement of mass and weight. तो अब बात करते हैं मेजरमेंट की, जिसमें मास और वेट के मेजरमेंट की बात करनी है, राइट? सो इट सेज द मास ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट इज द अमाउंट ऑफ मैटर इन द ऑब्जेक्ट. तो मास ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट क्या है? ये एक अमाउंट ऑफ मैटर है जो कि एक ऑब्जेक्ट में प्रेजेंट होता है. द वेट ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट इज द मेजर ऑफ द हैवीनेस ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट, राइट? कि जो वेट है ऑब्जेक्ट का वो मेजर, राइट, वो एक मेजरमेंट होती है उस ऑब्जेक्ट की कि वो कितना हैवी है, राइट? which is in kilogram, hectogram, decagram, gram, decigram, centigram and milligram are various units to measure the mass and weight of objects. तो ये हमारी कुछ सिंपल यूनिट्स हैं जिनमें हम मास और वेट को मेजर करते हैं ऑब्जेक्ट्स के. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट इट सेज द बेसिक यूनिट फॉर मेजरिंग मास एंड वेट इज ग्राम. तो बेसिक यूनिट जो होती है मास या वेट को मेजर करने के लिए वो होती है ग्राम, जिसको हम जी के थ्रू रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. क्लियर? अब ग्राम के कुछ मल्टीपल्स हैं और सब मल्टीपल्स हैं, व्हिच इज किलोग्राम रिप्रेजेंटेड एज केजी, हेक्टोग्राम रिप्रेजेंटेड एज एचजी, डेकाग्राम रिप्रेजेंटेड एज डीएजी, decigram represented as dg, centigram represented as cg and milligram represented as mg. Clear? Next, moving ahead, we have conversion of units of mass and weight. तो अब हम conversion देखेंगे units का for the mass and weight. Clear? So, it is also done with the same process. Whenever we have to convert the larger unit to the smaller unit, we multiply. But when to convert the smaller unit to the larger unit, we actually divide. Clear? Now, we have the examples, which is convert the following units of weight. अब जल्दी से इन सभी यूनिट्स को वेट के कन्वर्ट करना सीखते हैं. सो इट इज 3000 सेंटीग्राम इनटू ग्राम. तो 3000 सेंटीग्राम्स को ग्राम्स में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए वी नीड टू डिवाइड, राइट? सो इट इज 3000 डिवाइडेड बाय 100, व्हिच बिकम्स 30. सो इट इज 30 grams, राइट? नेक्स्ट इज 35 kgs into hectogram. So it is 35 kgs equal to 35 into 10 hectograms is equal to 350 hectograms. Right? Next is 1358 grams into kg and grams. तो अब हमें 1358 grams को kg और grams में convert करना है. Right? So it is 1358 grams is equal to 1000 plus 358 is equal to 1000 divided by 1000 plus 358 grams. That gives the answer, which is 1 kg 358 grams. Clear? Next, it is 17 milligrams into centigrams and milligrams. So 17 milligrams is equal to 10 milligrams plus 7 milligrams. Then 10 divided by 10 centigram plus 7 is equal to 1 centigram and 7 milligram. Clear? Now next, we have the exercise in which the first question says convert the following. So अब हमें convert करना है. Let's pick the B1, which says kilograms into grams. So we all know that 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. So 45 kilograms is equal to 45 multiplied by 1000 grams. So that is equal to 45,000 grams. Clear? Next, we have convert the following. अब जल्दी से इन सभी को भी convert करते हैं, right? Which says for 52 milligrams to centigrams. So we all know that 1 centigram is equal to 10 milligrams. Clear? So अब हमें 52 milligrams को convert करना है in centigrams, right? So what we are going to do? 50 plus 2 milligrams. Correct? Then 50 divided by 10 plus 2 milligrams. So that becomes 5 centigrams and 2 milligrams. Clear? Then let's move ahead. Now we have the next topic, which is measurement of capacity. तो अब capacity के measurement के बारे में बात करते हैं. Such as kiloliter, hectoliter, decaliter, liter, deciliter, centiliter, milliliter are various units used for measuring capacity of liquids. कि ये सारी units हम liquids को measure करने के लिए use करते हैं. The commonly used units are kiloliter, liter and milliliter. कि जो सबसे common units होती हैं measure करने की liquids को वो होती हैं kiloliter, liter and milliliter. Right? So the basic unit for measuring capacity is liter. कि जो basic unit होती है liquid को measure करने की वो होती है liter. ठीक है? Then it has various multiples and the submultiples, which are kiloliter written as KL, hectoliter written as HL, decaliter written as DAL, deciliter written as DL, centiliter written as CL, and milliliter written as ML. Clear? Then next, we have conversion of units of capacity. Right? तो अब कैसे हम converts कर सकते हैं units of capacities को? Clear? That is what we are going to do. And the same rule is being applied again, which is अगर हम larger units को smaller units में करते हैं तो we need to multiply. But if we are converting the smaller unit to larger units, we divide. Clear? Now, we have some examples over here. So it says, convert the following units of capacity. अब जल्दी से इन सभी units को capacity की convert करना सीखते हैं. So it is first one, 3 kiloliter into deciliter. So we can see that 3 is multiplied by 10,000 deciliter. that becomes 30,000 deciliter. Then next is 17 decaliter into centiliters. So 17 decaliters is equal to 17 into 1000 centiliters. That becomes 17,000 centiliters. Clear? Then next we have 29 liter, 89 centiliter into centiliters, right? So 29 liters, 89 centiliter is equal to 29 into 100 centiliter plus 89 centiliter. That makes 2900 centiliter plus 89 centiliter, which gives the answer as 2989 centiliters. Clear? Then the last one says 1503 milliliters into liters and milliliters, right? So it is 1503 milliliters is equal to 1000 milliliter plus 503 milliliters is equal to 1000 divided by 1000 liter plus 503 milliliter, which is equal to 1 liter 503 milliliters. Correct? Now, next we have the exercise which says convert the following. Right? अब इन सभी को हमें convert करना है. So let's see how we can do it. So let's pick this one which says 14 liter to deciliter. So we all know that 1 liter is equal to 10 deciliters and 14 liters is equal to 14 multiplied by 10 deciliters. Hence, we get the answer 140 deciliters. Clear? Then next, again we have convert the followings. So, let's pick this one, which is 7,000 liters to hectoliters. So, we all know that 1 hectoliter is equal to 100 liters. Correct? So, अब हमें 7,000 liters को hectoliter में convert करने के लिए we need to divide it 7,000 by 100 hectoliters, right? So, we get the answer 70 hectoliters. Clear? Then, next, a special group of stars is called a constellation. We all know कि जब भी एक special group of stars होता है तो हम उसे constellation के नाम से जानते हैं. Let us make these stars that hold the same measurement and make some constellations of our own. तो अब जल्दी से उन stars को match करते हैं जो कि same measurement के हैं और एक साथ मिलकर constellations को बनाते हैं. Correct? So, here we have 100 centiliter is equal to 1000 milliliters and 100 decameter is equal to 10,000 decimeters. Clear? Now, moving ahead to the next topic, that is addition and subtraction of measures. तो अब हम इन measurements का addition और subtraction कैसे करते हैं वो पता लगाते हैं, right? So, it says add the following. अब हमें इन्हें add करना है, right? So, we have been given the example which is 20 kilometers, 525 meters and 15 kilometers, 895 meters. Correct? तो सिंपली हमें पता है कि हम 2 कॉलम्स बनाते हैं इस तरीके से किलोमीटर्स और मीटर्स के, उसमें वैल्यूज पुट करके इजीली उसको प्लस कर देते हैं. करेक्ट? सिंपल एज इट इज. देन बी पार्ट सेम we'll put the values in the correct columns and then simply we are going to add them, right? Then we have the next example which says subtract the following. Subtraction के लिए भी same process we are going to follow. We are going to make 2 columns. Then we'll put the values and simply जैसे numerals के लिए हम लोग subtract करते हैं उसी तरीके से यहाँ पर भी करेंगे. Clear? Now they are telling us some kind of error. Let's see what is it. So it says kilometer, 8 kilometers, 905 meter. So it would be 8.905 kilometers, not 8.05 meters. Okay? जब भी हम पॉइंट लगाते हैं तो हमेशा बड़ी वाली यूनिट को हम नंबर के साथ लिखते हैं, ना कि छोटी वाली यूनिट को. क्लियर? Now we have the exercise which says add the following. So जल्दी से इन्हें add करते हैं, right? Let's pick this one which is centimeters and millimeters. Let's make the 2 columns very quickly, right? So it is 17 centimeter and 2 millimeter. And next is 35 centimeters and 9 millimeter. Correct? Let's add them. So just 2 plus 9 is 11, 1 over here and 1 carry. 7 plus 5 is 12, 12 plus 1 carry is 13, 1 carry and 3 over here. 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 1 carry is 5. And the answer becomes 53 centimeters and 1 millimeter. Clear? Next. Now we have the question which is subtract the following. अब इन्हें subtract करना है. So how we are going to do this? So let's pick this one which is 2 units which is liter and milliliter. So let's write 126 liters and 495 milliliters and 40 liters 895 milliliters. Let's subtract it very quickly. So it is 5 minus 5 is 0. 9 minus 9 is 0. And 4 minus 8 isn't possible. We borrow 1 and write 5 instead of 6 over here. So it is 14 minus 8 is 6. 5 minus 0 is 5. And 2 minus 4 isn't possible. We carry 1. So it becomes 12 and 0 over here. So it is 12 minus 4 is 8. So hence the answer becomes 85 liters and 600 milliliters. Correct. Then moving ahead to the next topic which is multiplication and division of measures. Abhi tak we were talking about the addition and subtraction of these units. Now we are going to study about the multiplication and division of these units, right? So it says multiplication and division measures can also be done in the same way as addition and subtraction. कि multiplication और division के भी same तरीके होते हैं जैसे कि हमने addition और subtraction किया था measures के साथ, right? So it says, let us multiply 7 meter, 6 decameter. So it says, let us multiply 7 meter, 6 decimeter, 3 centimeter, 2 millimeter by 5. तो हमें इन सभी को 5 से multiply करना है, right? So, method 1. पहला method तो है required product is 38 meter, 1 decameter and 6 centimeter, right? Method 2 है 7 meter, 6 decimeter, 3 centimeter, 2 millimeter is equal to 7.632 multiplied by 5. So, required product is 38.160 meters. Clear? Right? So, they are telling us कि 2 methods हैं इन सभी को solve करने के. Clear? Now, we have the example Let's see what is it. So it says a man gets 46 liter 55 milliliter of milk from his 4 cows. Assuming that he gets the same quantity of milk every day, find the quantity of milk he would get in 30 days. कि एक आदमी है जिसको 4 काउ से इतना मिल्क मिलता है. अब अगर हम मान लें कि मान लें कि हम डेली उस आदमी को 4 गाय से इतना ही दूध मिलता है, तो हमें क्वांटिटी फाइंड करनी है कि उसको 30 डेज में टोटल कितना अमाउंट ऑफ मिल्क मिला. So obviously we are going to multiply the amount of milk with 30, right? So this quantity of milk the man gets in one day, which is 46.055 liters. Quantity of milk the man gets in 30 days, so 46.055 liter into 30 is equal to 1,381.650 liters. Clear? Then, next, we have example which says 648 liters, 24 milliliters of juice is filled in 124 bottles equally. कि इतना जूस जो है वो बॉटल्स में 124 बॉटल्स में इक्वल अमाउंट में भरा जाता है. फाइंड आउट हाउ मच जूस इज फिल्ड इन ईच बॉटल. तो हमें पता लगाना है कि एक बॉटल में कितना जूस आएगा. सो वैसे क्वांटिटी ऑफ जूस इन 124 बॉटल्स इज 648 liters, 24 milliliters is equal to 648.024 liters, right? The quantity of juice in one bottle is equal to 648.024 divided by 124. That gives 5.226, right? So, 648 liters, 24 milliliters divided by 124 gives 5 liters and 226 milliliters. So, हर बॉटल में इतना अमाउंट ऑफ जूस फिल किया जाता है. Clear? Now, we have the exercise which says multiply the following. जल्दी से इन्हें मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. So let's pick this one, which is 4 liter and 64 milliliters. So it becomes 4.64 liters into 8. So those 8 fours are 32, 8 6 are 48, 48 plus 3, 49, 50, 51, 51, 5 carry, 8 fours are 32 again, 32 plus 5 is 37. So it becomes 37 liter and 12 milliliters. Clear? Next we have divide the following question. Let's pick this one, right? So it is 92 liters and 920 milliliters, right? So it becomes 92.920 liters divided by 10. So 10 nines are 90. We got 2 over here. Then making a point, we carry out 9, which is 2's are 20. Then again we carry 9. Then 2 copied down. Then 10 nines are 90. 2. Then again 0. And it is 2. So the answer becomes 9 liters and 292 milliliters. Clear? Now next we have the word problem, which says a factory packs 348 kg 600 grams of sugar in 43 bags. कि एक फैक्ट्री है जो इतना अमाउंट ऑफ शुगर पैक करती है 43 बैग्स में. What will be total weight of 43 bags? So total weight कितना होगा 43 bags का? So simply इस अमाउंट को हम 43 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. So it is 348.600 into 43. So it is 3 zeros are 0, zeros are 0, 3 6 are 18, 1 carry 8 here. 3 8s are 24, 24 plus 1 carry is 25. 3 4s are 12 plus 2 14. 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10. Into 4 zeros are 0, 4 zeros are 0, 4 6 are 24, 2 carry 4 here, 4 8s are 32 plus 2 carry 34. Then 4s are 16 plus 3 carry 19, 1 carry 4 3s are 12 plus 1 13. Then adding them 0 0 8, 5 and 4 9, 4 and 4 8, 0 and 9 9, 3 and 1 4 and 1. Correct, and after 3 digits we're going to put a dot. So it gives the answer, which is 14,989 kgs and 800 grams. Clear? Right? So then moving ahead, let's see the chapter at glance. So it is in the metric system, the basic unit for length is meter. कि metric system में जो length की basic unit है वो है meter, और mass for mass is gram, mass के लिए it is gram, and for capacity it is liter. Capacity के लिए वो liter है. To convert large units to smaller units we multiply. अगर हमें convert करना है large units को smaller units में तो हम multiply करते हैं. Right? To convert smaller units to large units we divide. कि अगर हमें smaller units को large units में convert करना है तो हम divide करते हैं. Relationship between different units. अब अलग अलग units के बीच में क्या differentiation है, right? क्या relationship है वो पता लगाते हैं. So this length 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, and 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. Weight 1 kilometers, 1000 grams. 1 grams is equal to 1000 milligrams. Capacity 1 kiloliter is equal to 1000 milliliters. 1 kiloliter is equal to 1000 liters, and 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. Clear? So that was all about the chapter. I hope you all enjoyed it and you all got the things well. So that was all from my side. I hope you all enjoyed it. So thank you so much and do have a great day ahead.